Raoul Pal said Cardano will go 10,000 times because of this. But what is this all about? Make sure to stay until the end to find out more about it. Does Cardano have a chance of going 10,000 times in 2022? Since the crypto market began, a variety of information about Cardano has been circulating, and it has been satisfying to hear all the different shades of new information so far. In fact, Real Vision's CEO and founder Raoul Pal has joined the long list of people who see ADA as a promising future. During today's video, we're going to explain why Cardano is likely to go 10,000 times. So check out what a prominent cryptocurrency analyst had to say about Cardano's future. But let's get started on this right away. Guys, this week I came upon a very interesting website. See the link in the description below. It's called Stable Pool, and everyone who registers on their website until October 31st will receive up to $50 in crypto. It's a new platform, but during the first week, they received more than $80 million of investments. They also have a partnership with a Japanese exchange called taotaox.com. When you go to their website, you can immediately claim the free $50. After that, you go to Top Up on the left side of the screen. Then at the right, you select a currency and enter the amount you want to deposit. After that, you are free to go and earn money. Note, I'm not a financial advisor, and investing is always at your own risk. In recent months, Real Vision's CEO revealed he has now become an investor in Cardano. Further, Pal explains that the ADA is truly one of the most interesting tokens on the market in an interview with BitBoy Crypto. Therefore, he believes there are potential opportunities for Cardano's growth. He stated that they visited with Charles Hoskinson on Real Vision a few times. He likes the project and thinks it's very interesting. However, he wants to see more adoption of the network. Additionally, he said that the price is rising, it's doing well, and there's a big community behind it, so that it is one side of the equation. It's important to show use cases in countries other than Ethiopia, and that is being discussed a lot. And he stated that he already owns some, and he is just waiting until he finds out more, and asked if it would start getting a lot of attention from people building stuff on it. In addition, Raoul Pal shared his thoughts on Cardano with the Alonzo upgrade that adds smart contract functionality to the crypto chain. In response to the question, he said that he knew people were anxiously awaiting smart contracts, so perhaps it isn't the biggest outperformer this cycle. Then again, if it survives this cycle and ends up getting adopted, then it will probably do very well in the next one. And according to him, there are many investors in this cryptocurrency, and once the ecosystem is built out, the company will do huge things. Meanwhile, let's take a moment to flash back before we continue. Global Macro Investor, or GMI, was founded in 2005 by Raoul Pal, who was co-manager of a global asset management company called GLG for a global asset management firm now called Man GLG. Further, the economist Raoul Pal thinks that fiat currencies, particularly the dollar, are constantly depreciating against hard assets like real estate and stocks. Raoul Pal believes that despite some presuming that the world is entering an all-time bubble phase, there are valid reasons to be bullish on stocks and cryptocurrencies. In addition, he said that he has invested all of his liquid net worth assets in cryptocurrency, given that in his opinion, cryptocurrencies have the greatest upside potential. In light of this, you will understand why Raoul Pal, CEO of Real Vision, is so bullish on Cardano. Additionally, users throughout 2021 were able to benefit from the Cardano blockchain as a whole. Also, the hype surrounding the development of the Cardano blockchain has been fulfilled so far, and the Cardano Foundation as well as IOHK have lived up to expectations. It is certainly true that the ADA experienced some ups and downs like many other tokens, but that didn't prevent it from rising 628% in a single year. Even though ADA's price fell tremendously in the market chart, many believe Cardano is still far from being over. For instance, due to the function of its smart contracts consistently performing and its many projects in the pipeline, investors and analysts such as Raoul Pal continue to be excited for what's to come. As of last December, the ADA had 1 million wallets staked on the network. The reason for this, as explained by Raoul Pal, is that Cardano is experiencing growth in the cryptocurrency space. A recent CoinMarketCap report indicates that ADA had grown so fast at the time that it was the 6th largest cryptocurrency. Aside from this, Jesse Blount, a crypto investor and Twitter user, also congratulated Charles Hoskinson, who is the chief executive officer of Cardano, for reaching this milestone. Meanwhile, even though ADA has lost about 30% of its former standing since then, however, Lucas Moore indicates that new opportunities will arise from the advent of the ADA blockchain this 2022. Lucas says Cardano will be huge in 2022, and in a surprising turn of events, Raoul Pal also believes so. However, there's more to it. In a survey that looked at many currencies in the crypto space, Crypto Analysis opined that Cardano's community will allow the increased development and expansion of the network without any problems at all. Moreover, Cardano appears to have solved both problems with its well-developed programming language, rather than Ethereum and Binance smart chains, where users complain about fees and centralization. Interestingly, Cardano uses Haskell as its development language, which is not something quite as common in the crypto world as you might think. Using Haskell may make Cardano a safer blockchain than others, since it is a more robust and precise language, due to the increasing frequency of some accounts being emptied and projects being hacked in the DeFi world. A more sophisticated programming language had to be used to ensure the security of the Cardano blockchain. However, we haven't even reached the best part of it yet. In the past few months, Cardano's parent company, IOHK, announced the launch of its partnership with Nervos, China's leading public blockchain. So IOHK is working on a bridge that will allow users to transact with native currencies such as Nervos, CKB, and Cardano ADA interchangeably between the two blockchains. It will enable the creation of its tokens on both blockchains and reduce transaction costs across both blockchains. And it will also eliminate inefficiencies, complexity, potential bugs, and unnecessary costs between the two blockchains. So aside from establishing the first cross-chain bridge on the ADA blockchain, the project allows developers working on both chains to gain access to services and functionality that will facilitate the development of their applications. Furthermore, Meld announced in September 2021 that it planned to launch a stable coin backed by gold on the Cardano network as part of its efforts to democratize access to cryptocurrencies. In an interview with Citiam.com, Meld's CEO Ken Alling revealed a three-way partnership with African agri-fintech Tingo, International Holdings, and Ubuntu Tribe, an ethical firm that tokenizes natural resources. Gold will be tokenized in a vault, fractionalized out, divided, and then stored in a vault so that it can be sold. And the goal is simplicity and clarity. In addition to the fact that the blockchain offers the best solution for creating projects, this will make ADA's price go 10,000 times with time. Furthermore, from dApps and games to a wide range of other applications, Cardano presents a blockchain platform that has been optimized to support them all. The Cardano blockchain appears to have seen more than 100 smart contracts in less than 24 hours since Cardano launched its smart contract capabilities in September. Then, within just one day, the Vercel app reported that more than 900 smart contracts were listed on the Cardano blockchain. With these staggering numbers, it is obvious that Cardano's real-world users are growing every day. Further on the blockchain, anyone can choose to store credentials such as academic credentials. Additionally, blockchains can be used to track products from farms to tables in agriculture. Due to the increasing number of use cases for a blockchain across a broader spectrum of industries, the amount of ADA in circulation will rise and the price will soon follow suit. This is just the beginning, however. Aside from this, to create an alternative trading system, Cardano partnered with Oasis Pro about 3 months ago. In addition, it will facilitate partnerships in primary bond markets for developing countries via blockchain technology. As part of a contract between IOHK and Oasis Pro, the two organizations are establishing a platform for bond insurance. Moreover, Oasis Pro intends to use a blockchain to exchange the card so that it can remove the need for intermediaries like banks and would likely decrease the cost of trading. If this is implemented, the cost of trading could be reduced by half. With its Oasis Pro next-generation technology, it will be able to facilitate digital cash transactions for digital securities transactions. In contrast, the Cardano platform will provide an innovative, eco-friendly blockchain protocol designed to offer governments and developing nations a viable and secure financing system that will provide them with an alternative to traditional finance. In recent years, foreign aid and investment have been reduced significantly, making it hard for many governments to access capital. Therefore, by combining Oasis Pro and Cardano's cryptocurrency market capitalization at $70 billion, it would be possible to tap into a new source of foreign investment to fund major infrastructure projects. Additionally, Cardano is working on a variety of projects on this blockchain, which could suggest that it is the most promising cryptocurrency. Then a decentralized exchange based on the the ADA blockchain is one of the most commonly heard things, and several projects have claimed to be able to do it. But SundaeSwap does it better than the rest. The SundaeSwap is a decentralized exchange that uses good names as its naming scheme. Although not many people think of these names, they are proving to be quite popular with people as brand names. Then a large stake pool and an impressive design distinguish SundaeSwap. In comparison to other projects, SundaeSwap allegedly takes a large portion of their tokens to any user who stakes the ADA token, and their money is stored away from the user, leaving only their rewards at risk. After discussing everything that we've mentioned, it is easy to see why Raoul Pal and many other investors are confident in the ADA token's future and its potential to hit 10,000 times. So if everything goes according to plan with Cardano, there will be a huge price jump by the time the bull market kicks in. Are you convinced he's right? Would ADA be able to reach this level? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.